Welcome back to How to Do Stuff. Today I'm going to teach you how to reset the transmission control module, which is the adaptive transmission code that tries to learn how you shift. What happens is it gets a little aggressive and you get some hard shifts or some mistimed shifts in your transmission. So the easiest way to reset your TCM or your transmission control module back to factory settings, just like it was brand new, is you get into the driver's seat and you start by turning the car on without starting it. So keep your foot off the brake and toggle your on switch twice. You'll see your panel lights up. And what you want to do at this point, you want to put your foot on the gas, keep your foot off the brake, and hold it down for 10 seconds. Now, you want to go ahead and hit your off button to turn the car off. At this point, you release your foot off of the gas and let this sit for 2 minutes. Now that 2 minutes have elapsed, start your car up regularly with your foot on the brake, and that will have reset your TCM or your transmission control module. This will improve any harsh shifts. It has for me. I hope that it does for you. Take it for a test drive and let me know if it works and helps you out. All right. Thanks so much. Please hit like and subscribe. I'm trying to really grow my channel so I can keep bringing you content of how to do stuff. Catch you next time.